to another rero tutorial video. So in the last video we built our Ju-on robot. So today we are going to learn on how to program it and learn a new trick that you can do with the rero animator. Before we go to the rero animator, I'm going to show you the solution for the forward movement for the Ju-on robot. Okay, so I think it will be easier if I address these four motors as the set A motors, the motors that are closest to the controller, set A, and then these motors that are closer to the feet, set B motors. Okay, so it's similar to the tortoise robot. There are 4 frames only, so starting position is something like this. So these legs are, I would say, closed up, and these legs are extended. Then this one is lifted, and then the one opposite it diagonally is also lifted. Okay, so this is frame 1. Frame 2, we only need the set A motors to move. So the set A motors will shift to their alternate positions. So set A motor closes, and then the set A motors here will extend to open up. Okay, this is frame 2. Now frame 3, we'll only move the set B motors. So this one is originally lifted, become landed. This one landed will be lifted. The lifted one will be landed, and this one is landed, so it will be lifted. Okay, so this is frame 3. Now for frame 4, since the last motion we move the set B motors, so for frame 4 we move the set A motors. So set A, close, and then this side open up. Okay, so that's all 4 frames. So you can teach this motion to the robot and then play it, and you'll be able to allow your Ju-on robot to crawl forwards. Now we are going to start programming the robot. If you remember in the last video, I mentioned that there's a trick that you can use in the rero animator, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So during the previous tutorial where we programmed the tortoise robot, I showed you that you can actually download the programs that you have taught to the robot through download robot in the rero animator. So you can modify the program, maybe you can fine tune it, you can duplicate it. But another thing that you can do is you can actually change the speed of the program. So as you can see here, there's moving time duration 1.0 second. So this is actually how long it takes for this particular action to complete. So let's say this one is 1 second, so this action takes 1 second to complete, and then all these actions take 1 second, and so on up to the 4th sequence. So let's say I modify this to 0.5. As you can see, it's shortened to 0.0 second to 0.5 seconds. So I've changed the duration where this sequence will take to 0.5 seconds, so it will actually become faster. So you can change as many as you want, or you can, if you want, you can increase the duration to make it slower. But for now, I'll show you how to make it faster. So let's say I change all to 0.5 seconds. Well, since it's half the speed, half the original speed, so you actually made the program run twice as fast. Of course, there's something that you need to take note, that is, let's say I put it down to 0.1. As you can see, sometimes this exceed speed limit note will appear. It means that you have set the sequence to become too fast, and the servo won't be able to catch up, and it might actually spoil the servo, so make sure to avoid this. So right now I just set it to 0.3 because I feel that is fast enough. So now I'm just going to make all of them 0.3. Okay, now that we're done, I'll save it first. I'll save it as fast forward. And then upload it to the robot in file 4. Okay, now we will see the difference in the program. So that's all for today. We have learned how to increase the speed of our program. So now here's a task of the day. Other than speeding up the robot, how about you try the following actions. I've added some programs with remote control so that I can remote control the robot to do these extra things. Now the first thing is turning. Observe and Now observe and try to imitate this turning movement. Now see how the legs cycle, and then the other one is something like this. So other than moving forward, you can make the Ju-on robot turn or strafe, which is move left or right while facing in front. So try the following, incorporate it with your knowledge on how to make the rero robot remote controlled, and then that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.